تبعوني يحببكم الله ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم والله غفور رحيم. O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, O my messenger, O my last messenger, you should say to the people of the world that if you want to thank Allah, if you want to love to Allah, then you must follow the path of Islam. You will reach to that one God. You will be succeeded here. You will be succeeded inside the grave. My brothers, sisters, the life is so short. This life is temporary life. This life is temporary life. We must follow that one God through the path of Islam. We must follow Muhammad Arabi as the last prophet. We must follow the Holy Quran. Because all these are realities. We accept all the religions on their place. But now this is the time of these realities. Therefore, if we people follow all these realities, we will be succeeded here. We will be succeeded inside the grave. Because the time, the life and the earth is so temporary. One day we will be dying and we will be shifting inside the grave. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will send the angels. The angel is a special creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The angel will come, they will put the first question before you, before me, before all the human beings. That did you follow that one God through the path of Islam? Because this is the time of Islam. Did you follow Muhammad Arabi is the last prophet? And the hadith it is written in the Arabic language. What you can say? The face structure and the body structure inside the grave of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam will be brought before you people.